My picture is almost done. It looks so pretty. I'm home! Look at my awesome test. Mom will be so proud of me. I'm so smart. Oh no, my tummy hurts. Oh. I need to go to the bathroom right now. I can't hold it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry, hurry. Oh no. My beautiful drawing is ruined. Tom, you're so clumsy. Phew, I made it. He did that on purpose. I'm so mad. Wait, what's that paper? Oh, it's his math test. I have a great idea. Payback time, big brother. Let's change this grade. Now it's perfect. I feel much better. Where's my test? Hi, kids, I'm home. I'm the best student. Check out my score.
Let me see. Oh my. What is this? I'm very disappointed in you. You didn't study at all.
An F+? How is that possible? It was an A just a minute ago. Mom, I swear I got an A. Someone changed my grade.
Stop making excuses, Tom. You need to try harder in school.
But Mom, math is so hard. Gok, you're a bad student. Look at her fingers, Mom. She has red ink on her hands.
Tom, stop fighting with your sister. Go to your room right now. Don't cry, sweetie. I got a new toy for you.
That's so unfair. Nobody believes me. Catch me if you can. You're in big trouble now. Come back here, you little monster. Where can I hide? He's too fast. This will slow him down. Take that. Oh! I'm gonna catch you. Oh no.
Whoa, slow down there, buddy. What happened to my drawings? They're completely ruined.
Oops, sorry.
I don't want to hear it. Get out of my office right now.
But Dad, it's not my fault. Fine, I'll go. Everyone is so mean today. I hate this house. Oops, I knocked something over. What's this book? It's our family album. Let's see the pictures. Oh, it's baby Charlotte. She looks so silly. Here's another picture of her. Why is it always her? Mom and Dad love her so much. Where am I? They don't have any pictures of me. They don't love me anymore.
I'm leaving this place. I'll find a new home.
Goodbye, house. You won't see me again. They won't even miss me. They're better off without me. It's getting really cold. And I've walked so far.
What was that noise?
Oh, it's just my tummy. I'm so hungry right now. I wish I had a sandwich.
Who's hiding in there? Is it a monster? What was that?
Please don't scare me. I just want to go home.
Hoot, hoot! Ah! It's a giant bird!
Help me! Somebody help me! Oh! I gotta run! Oh, great! Now it's snowing! Under the bridge looks safe. I can hide from the snow here. Brrr, it's freezing cold. I'm so tired and hungry. This is a very lonely place. I miss my warm bed. I want my mommy. I want my daddy.
Look! Over there by the bridge! Tom! Are you under there?
Oh, my sweet boy, we found you!
You must be freezing, honey.
Please forgive me, big brother. I told Mom and Dad the truth.
We love you very much, Tom. You're our special boy.
Mom, I love you too. Let's go home and have dinner. Yes, I'm starving.